Mabuhay and good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for coming to this joint exhibition opening for A World Below the Walls, an exhibition on archaeological artifacts, and the Lakambini, ang marakit na pamana ng Baron Saya at Museo de Intramuros and Centro de Turismo Intramuros. In honor of Women's Month, I would like to dedicate this speech to the often overlooked contributions that women have made in the development of archaeology and cultural heritage. For Intramuros, this has been greatly understated since the beginning until today. Archaeology has long been a male-dominated field, with icons such as Indiana Jones coming to mind whenever the profession is brought up. But in the modern day, and especially here in the Philippines, that could not be further from the truth. At the School of Archaeology, my current institution academically, the only degree granting program in the Philippines, 6 out of the 10 faculty members are women. The current president of the Kapisanan ng mga Archaeologists sa Pilipinas, the National Guild of Archaeologists, president is Ms. Andrea Dominique Cosalan, who's here today. The head of the Archaeology Division at the National Museum of the Philippines is Dr. Mary Jane Louise Bulon. And within the own history of the Intramuros administration, the first prominent archaeological excavation co-led by our agency was done under the supervision of Dr. Esperanza P. Cadbanton at the Bastion de San Diego. The first dedicated archaeologist at the Intramuros administration was hired under the tenure of our current administrator, Attorney Joanna Padilla, and under the current chief of CBCD, Sarah Jane Espahinayan Pagadong. So to say that archaeology is a male-dominated field is no longer factual. But moving on to this exhibit. This exhibit displays a short window into the dynamic and lived history of Intramuros through its material remains. With over 400 years of activity, movement, development, and destruction, this historic city's story goes past the written word. In fact, a majority of its finer and minute details would be lost if only looking through books. The stories of daily routines, forgotten buildings, evidence of global trade and local craftsmanship, memories of migration and of family. This world below the walls captures in this modest exhibit of artifacts excavated below the modern streets. Later, when we visit the exhibit, you'll notice that the space is divided into sections according to artifact typology. In archaeology, we group artifacts based on a number of different criteria, depending on the types of questions we want answered. Likewise, this exhibit aims to showcase the various types of materials, from ceramics, animal remains, glassware, and even weaponry. We wanted to highlight as much as we could within the current archaeological collections here with us at the Intramuros administration, but we can only show just a small fraction of the entirety of the collection. Not to mention the countless of other artifacts stored within the National Museum and elsewhere within the Philippines. This hopefully is the first of many forays into IA's current spearheading of archaeology projects within Intramuros. And with this administration's aim of international recognition as a cultural heritage site, we need to continue to support and conduct research when it comes to the claims about this historic city. Within the coming months and years, IA's capacity and participation in the national conversation about cultural heritage, and particularly that of archaeological research, will be fostered by individuals who share a deep passion for this nation's heritage. However, this task will not be shouldered alone. Archaeology is a field that necessitates collaboration and partnerships. Voices from a diverse range of experts and non-experts will allow for a holistic approach to understanding our collective history. If we shield ourselves from the multiplicity of perspectives, we might be missing the obvious clues that lie below our feet. Lastly, and certainly not least, this research is for naught unless we share it with the world. Knowledge is not only meant to be shared, but it's meant to be appreciated by all. In showcasing the rich history of Intramuros, it attracts interested international collaborators and funders, but also gives a chance for the next generation to learn and work with our nation's history. Speaking from experience, the visibility and accessibility promotes interest for future researchers. And as one of the core missions of our agency, we should be at the forefront of being accessible to all. So with that in mind, please stay curious about the past and the future, just as much as we are. Thank you so much.